guys, welcome to my YouTube video today. Oh wait, yeah, what the fuck am I talking about? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do this. Today we are doing e-girl makeup. This is the finished look. Follow along and watch this video as I have fun doing this cool new routine, and I will link the video below that I'm following, and then yeah, you guys gotta check this video out. Make sure you subscribe, that would mean so much to me, and let's get started. My hand looks weird. I haven't done a makeup video in quite some time, so I just thought, what the hey? Okay, bye. Okay, so I already put on eye cream and moisturizer, and I just finished plucking my eyebrows, so that's why they are really red. But and sorry for the mess behind me. I am literally still currently working on building my tiny house, and I'm living in it, and it's not done yet, so it's a fucking shit show behind me, so I don't know. So let's get started. So I'm gonna play her video in the background while I do my makeup. Okay, so we're gonna put concealer all over our face. This is actually foundation, but it is way too light for my skin right now. And it's winter too, so that's kind of crazy. My bad. They didn't have any testers, so. So I'm gonna put this very light foundation basically all over my face because that's what she did. And then she blends it, I think. Blend with fingers, which is what I do anyway, so far so good. Damn, girl. Okay, next step.
Here's my blush brush.
Blush brush?
Blush.
Already?
I'm gonna go. So I'm just gonna.
My face. What are we doing? Oh god. Okay, wait, whoa. Whoa, slow down. I don't think I've actually done one of these videos. Have I? I don't think so. Okay, well, this one isn't super pigmented, but I'm trying to use it up, so we're just gonna go in there real hard with my, I don't know, blush brush. And then we put a lot of blush on, apparently. I can't believe I'm choosing to do this on a day that I'm going out, but oh yeah, oh wow. Oh fuck, that's pretty pigmented. Okay, what the fuck? Does she go in like her eyes like this? Okay, so she puts it like here. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know if this is gonna look good. Stop smiling, I'm gonna get a crease. Stop smiling! Is this how she does it? Oh my god, I look like I got punched in the eye. Let's blend that a little. What the fuck? Man, I look weird. Wait a minute, is this the foundation color we're going with? Actually, you know what? It does actually match my skin tone right now. We are in the midst of our Canadian winters. Oh boy, how does that look? Oh, okay. It's not really matching this side, so let's bring this one down a little. Okay, whoa. She did the nose. Oh yeah, cute. Oh. Fucking scraped it with the top and bottom of my lips. Oh my god, is this clown tutorial? I'm not dissing the makeup, I'm just saying it looks weird right now, but I'm hoping it's gonna look so sexy later. Okay. Oh my god. And then we blend it with our fingers. Hold up, hold up. Oh shit, I don't have powder. Okay, so she puts the powder where she's gonna be oily. but she looks like a young fawn and I'm an old so I actually don't really get oily anymore, so should I just skip that step? I'm gonna skip that step because I don't think it really adds to the look.
We're gonna mess it up with some contour.
Contour?
I don't usually contour my cheeks, but I do like to contour my nose a little bit.
Okay.
A little bit. But I like
Okay, whoa. Okay, so now I fucking oh my god, I started talking in my mirror like it was the camera. That was fucking funny. So I'm going in with some bronzer and doing what she's doing, so here we go.
like super bright powder things that I post with, and I'll go on the side of my nose.
What? Sorry, that was loud. So she's going in with white eyeliner. Now, since I don't apparently have white eyeliner, she said something about not having a highlighter, so I'm gonna grab my highlighter-ish highlighter. So we go here, here, and here, and then we blend it. Okay. Does that look highlighted enough? I can't see. My nose is so fucking big. And then she blends it out with her eyes. Or she blends it out with her fingers. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Freckles! I once had freckles this one summer that I spent a lot of time outside or something. And I ended up getting freckles. Kind of, in here. They're totally gone now. It's kind of weird. It's a fun fact.
Okay, this is...
Oh, she's using a marker. Oh. Well, I'm gonna use a eyebrow pencil. A very mangled one. Cute! Fake freckles! Whoa. Calm down. Fucking camera. Okay, apparently we're also adding illusion hairs there, which I feel like I don't need to, but... Okay, so we're adding more blush now, I guess. Girl, it is kind of looking like hers a little bit. I mean, obviously I look like a totally fucking different person. Oh my god, this is exciting. This is fun. I hope you're having fun watching.
Now, I take the same kind of shades that I contour with.
She's not doing an eye primer. No. I hope you can hear me over the fucking furnace. What? What? Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking butcher this. Why didn't we use eye primer?
You don't want to just be going in.
Fuck. Wish you would have said that before. Oh boy. Oh boy. Way out of my comfort zone right now. Oh, okay, so we draw on our bottom lashes, I guess. Okay. You see that? Oh my god, it's working. Not so bad. We're not done yet, though. Okay, so one of my tips is to use a fine tip Q-tip and dry your waterline so that the eyeliner can stick to it better. I find that it actually stays on longer, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. More eyeshadow on the bottom lashes. I'm having fun. This is fun. Wait, what? Did she say bottom as well? I wasn't listening. I was literally watching the video and I wasn't listening. Where does my mind go? Well, here's where I insert my tip, which you guys already know because you watch all my videos, right? Duh. Also hit that subscribe button because you want more of this? You want more of this? You gotta hit subscribe because that helps me out so much. So, are you subscribed now? Good. It's time for the tip. The tip is to take a spoolie brush and comb out your eyelashes. And since we use like a shit ton of liquid eyeliner, we really want to comb them out so that it like separates them. This is the key to getting long ass lashes. Are you listening? Listen up, people. Now we go in with mascara and she's just coating her top lashes, apparently. Can somebody tell me why we're not doing the bottom? She has fake lashes. I do not. So I put 2 coats of my first mascara, and then I'm going in with like a thick ass mascara, although it's like literally dry, so I don't know. This is like how I get my fake looking lashes, and yeah, I just go in and like kind of just coat them, make them look like I have fake lashes. I know fake lashes would like really make the look, but since I don't have any, we're just gonna have to make do. Finishing touches! Okay, so we're rounding our Cupid's bow with our eyebrow brush dipped in blush brush. Okay, let's do that.
I add too much blush and I know.
Oh my god, she put more blush on! Ah! Okay, so this part really makes her look, and unfortunately I don't have liquid white eyeliner, so I'm going to add liquid highlighter in the places that she put liquid white eyeliner.
This is the end result.
It's the finished look! Do some poses like she did. Here's the finished look. What do you guys think? I didn't have all the products that she used, so obviously that's gonna, you know, affect how it looks on me, and it's gonna look different on me, even if I use the exact same products, but this is it, guys. Some things I would do differently. I'm gonna put some eyebrow gel in my eyebrows to make them stay and to look, you know, like so that they don't look fucking crazy. I want to see what it looks like coating my bottom lashes because I feel like I don't know why she didn't. What do you guys think? Does it look better with or without? Obviously with. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Wait a minute, she tried to like round them. Ah, too late, it's already out. Did I ruin it? I don't fucking know. And since I have some extra, I'm just gonna highlight above the tops of my eyebrows. I don't know. That's probably all I'm gonna like edit for this look because I don't want to make it too different. But this is the finished look. E-girl, whatever that's supposed to mean. I'm sorry, I don't read the news. I don't honestly like know a lot of that kind of stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the look? Do you think I should do another one of these videos? Do you think I should do this? I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me something below. Make sure it's nice though. Come on, guys. We're all human. Be nice to me, please. But yeah, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to rock this look all day. And wow, I suck at it. Intros, outros. I wanted to like wear one of those necklaces, those like choker collar necklaces, but they're like in the shed. Why are they in the shed? It's a long story. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of this look. Do you like my makeup tutorials? I don't even know what the fuck to say. I literally suck at saying goodbye. So hard. But I actually like the look. It's very different. I think I would actually do this look again. So maybe I'll try it again with like fake eyelashes and it'll be like, whoa, who is that girl? I don't even recognize her anymore. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment below what you want to see next. It can literally be anything. I love cooking, I love mechanics, I love dirt biking, I love fashion, I love makeup, I love exploring, off-roading, traveling, I love drinking, I love eating, I love makeup, I don't know, animals, like whatever your little heart desires, as long as it's appropriate for YouTube, obviously. Leave a comment below on what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! I feel like that outro was horrid. I don't know. Should I redo it? Nah, I'm too lazy.